guess what we're doing today?
What?
We are going to make poppies out of cardboard cartons, egg cartons. And you know why?
Why not?
Because we are going to be celebrating Memorial Day at the end of May. And it used to be that after World War I, people did make poppies even in the US for Memorial Day. Now it's not so much the case. People use American flags to kind of symbolize Memorial Day. But in the UK and in Canada and Australia, for instance, they still wear poppies, but they wear poppies on the 11th of November, and it's called Remembrance Day. So we're going to do a Memorial Day / Remembrance Day video today and make some poppies. And another reason why we're going to do that is because your great-grandparents fought in both the British and American sides of World War I and World War II. So both of them are very special to us. So we're going to make some poppies for Memorial Day. All right, let's get started.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, you're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut off the edges of the egg carton, and then you're going to cut each one of the little egg cups out, and you're going to cut little slits to make petals, and then we're going to paint on the inside like a poppy. All right, what you got there, guys?
I think that Jamie's scissors would do very good at this.
Jamie, do you want to use the bigger set of scissors and try to cut off the top of the egg carton? First, you're going to trim off both the top and the side strip on the egg carton until all you have left.
Can I do it?
You may. Just be careful for your fingers. Great job. Okay. All right, now can you cut the top off too? Yeah, that's the top of the egg carton. And the great thing about egg cartons is that, for Memorial Day, if you don't have time to go out and get craft supplies, as long as you have some paints left over and some paint brushes, you're good to go. All right, you want to cut that in half so that you can cut the 6, there's a line of 6. That's okay. A line of 6, yeah, and separate those two egg.
So do we do this first?
You can cut that off first. That might make it easier, yeah.
Definitely make it easier.
Yeah, just be careful of your fingers. And if you need any help, I'll come over and help you. Do you want me to help?
Oh.
You did it? You get it? Okay. What we did is we took the egg cup and we cut little slits about a centimeter apart, half an inch apart or so, and we pushed them back so that they became petals on the flower. And so now we're ready to start painting. Okay, so now that we have each got a flower that we're going to paint, you guys want to take the flower from in front of you, and what you're going to do in order to make it look like a poppy is you're going to take turns. One of you can use the black paint to do the center of the flower black.
I'm going to do the red paint.
And the other can at the same time paint the outer part of the other flower red, and then you can switch. Okay guys, so you've each got a pot of paint in front of you. Alea, you're going to do the center of your flower black, and Jamie, you're going to start decorating all your petals red.
Hi.
All right, what we got? So, I'm painting the middle of yours black. See the paint there. All right, and Jamie D. Oh, how pretty. We're painting the petals red, right? And you notice our tablecloth has red flowers as well, and they don't, I don't know, they don't quite look exactly like poppies, but I think they're supposed to be poppies.
I'm done with my black.
Oh, you are? Let me see.
Well, I have to do the sides, but I'm done with this end.
Okay, all right. Well, why don't you put the paintbrush into the pot, and then I can give that pot to Jamie in a minute, and you can swap pots. Yeah. It might take a little bit longer to do all of the petals just effectively.
I'm already finished.
So Jamie's getting a really pretty poppy out of that. Yeah. Hey, Alea, what you got there?
I've got my cup and I'm painting the petals.
Okay, so you're going to do the red petals now. And Jamie D
He's
is going to start
do
do this. Yeah, he's going to do the center of the black color.
After this, I'm gonna do all of mine.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna do all of the eggs.
Oh, you want to do all of them? Okay, you can do them too. We can paint all of them.
Ooh, I'm already done.
Looks like fun, guys. Okay, look, I made a little wreath. We can glue the poppies all around the wreath. All right, guys, we're almost done here. We've got a whole lot of poppies to glue onto the wreath. Just remember to get a little bit of glue onto the cardboard or onto the back of the poppy and press it gently into the wreath. All right, there's our wreath. Are you guys finished just about putting the, no, you still have quite a bit more glue, huh? All right, let's get the glue down. Now be careful not to get them too far apart that you can't squeeze the other ones in. I'm gonna try to get them all in, okay? I don't know if that's gonna be enough glue, Isaiah. You might want to put a little bit more glue underneath. Did you put all the glue behind all of them? Yeah, you did? Okay. Let's get the last one. Wow, that is really pretty. Look at that, guys.
Now all we have to do is just wait until it dries.
Did we have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that our wreath looks really nice, and once it dries, we'll be able to hang it up.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye, and...
Happy Memorial Day.
And...
Happy Remembrance Day.
Happy Remembrance Day and Happy Memorial Day to everyone!